He who gave it to you, if he feels like taking everything from you, he can do it. Beginning from your life and that thing that is tangible. There's nothing yours. I ever saw a rich man with everything. Within a shortest time he was crying when everything had got destroyed. It once happened to Job. He was so rich in the region he was in. But it came one morning when news were coming from either side. This and thing, and even this and the other. Even his biological children left. Know it from now that you have nothing else. You're just a treasure. The Bible has told us clearly in John 15. I've loved the 50th because if God is the farmer and our Lord is the vine, we are branches. We have to be in Him that we may be able to. Or if you are having a pipe from Him, because in Him there is everything. Whatever you need is in Him. But if you take away your or if it gets out, you won't be able to get what you need. But the last phase on the 50th verse. Kubanga awatalinze temuliko kye muyinza kukola. Because minus me, there is nothing you can do.
Kati kitegere nti n'okukola kw'osobola okubaako okuyinza kyonna ky'osobola okukola oba mulimu.
Now understand that whatever you can do, if it's work, the things that you've invested there, you feel that but without Him, there's nothing you can do. That's why you should know that you are a treasure. He has entrusted His power. He has entrusted whatever you get hold of, feel that you have to give accountability. Because a treasurer gives accountability. They've told you that from Musawo is a treasurer of the youth. The youth can make her sit down and ask her questions that you don't understand this and that. Give us accountability of the money and whatever we kept with you. She does not need to touch in the thing that she has to hold to keep them with care. Even you, whatever you have been, you have to hold it with care. That the voice you hear is that voice of the that you may use the things He gave you. Yesterday I was hearing testimonies from a certain group on WhatsApp. The man was saying that one time the church is there in the side. But he felt that he was doing what God needed. But inside of him there was despising. He had money. But he could not give up the tithe in itself. And he was minimizing the church in which he was giving. He said like that. He first lost a child.
N'ebintu bye ebimu ne bitandika okugenda ng'alaba.
And even some of his belongings started going when he was
N'akaabirira Mukama.
He cried unto the Lord.
N'agenda ku lusozi.
He went on a mountain.
N'amugamba nti anti toli mwesigwa gye ndi.
Then God told him that because you're not faithful to me,
Tokkoze ekyo kye nkugamba.
You've not done what I tell you.
Tewamanya lwaki wooli.
You did not know why you exist.
Ne mu kifo ekyo lwaki wooli.
And why you exist in that place.
Onfudde omupakasi.
You made me a worker, a
Nti
laborer.
naye ddayo.
But go back
Weetereeze.
and make your life straight.